Welcome to Crofts Estate Agents. We're in Binbrook. We're looking at this lovely, gorgeous property right in the centre of Binbrook in the marketplace called Cook's Cottage. It's well placed for all the amenities right in the centre with the hairdressers there, post office and shop there. We've got a takeaway, we've got bus services coming into the town, we've got a pub, we've got a fire station and we've got a doctor's surgery. So there's lots and lots of things in the village. It's only 12 miles from Louth, it's only 18 miles from Grimsby, and it's right in the centre of the Lincolnshire Wolds for gorgeous walks. And look at that property, looking absolutely magnificent. Let's go and take a look inside. So we're in through the front door. It's just a wood front door with the glass at the top to let some light into the entrance hall. So it's just got a tiled floor, room to hang jackets and an understairs storage with a twisting staircase up to the upper floors. And then we're into a lounge all neutrally decorated, neutral decor with an open hearth. It's got electric fire in there, built-in storage, radiator, it's oil fired heating. And we've got wall lights and we've got UPVC sash windows that comply with the conservation area. We've got some internal shutters on there, so it's a nice good sized lounge. Into the back of the property we've got a dining space which is open plan to the kitchen. Again, a nice big space, tiled splashbacks. We've got built-in electric oven and grill, gas hob and extractor over, sink drainer and window to an extended part of the building, which is a nice space to either sit. We've got some furniture in here at the moment, UPVC door and window out to the back garden. And as we go around the corner in this extra space here, we've got a utility cupboard. So we've got a washing machine and dryer in there and built-in storage and shelving. Got a nice tiled floor at the back here and radiator. Nice Velux lights, windows at the top there. And on the ground floor we also have the benefit of a cloakroom. So we've got toilet and sink, chrome radiator, the boilers in here, tiled splashbacks and window to the back. We'll go out into the back briefly. We've got a lower patio area, water collection, steps up to a raised level where you've got space again for a seated area, so quite low maintenance, not too much garden, but nicely enclosed, nicely private. Some storage sheds and units, view to the back of the rear. You'll see the dormer out to the top, very attractive, with gate through the garden to exit, but also another gate there, up some steps and out to the side to take your bins out. So go back into the property. That's the first floor done. So just a reminder where you are. You're in Marketplace in Binbrook. Got a gorgeous three-story cottage. It's on the market for $197 currently. So we've got the staircase to the first floor. We've got window to the front, door to stairs to the second floor, and then we've got one bedroom, open fireplace again, built-in storage, UPVC sash to the front, all neutral decor and radiator, strip wood doors. It's one double bedroom. Go down the corridor towards the back of the property and see the second double bedroom. It's got neutral decor, feature purple wall, UPVC window to the rear and radiator, and we've got wall lights. Just right next to that, an original style door, is the bathroom. We've got a three-piece white suite with white splashback tiling. We've got a shower screen with a shower over bath. There we've got stripped back and polished timber flooring, radiator, blue decor and downlights. Little storage cupboard on the landing as well, just with the tank and room for towels, etc. And we open up and go to the top floor. The staircase again twists round back on itself to a third bedroom. There's a little head height sort of leaning in there as we get around this third bedroom, ideal for kids, making a perfect study and double bedroom. The staircase could be reconfigured to make the staircase and entry a bit easier, but we've got a nice big double bedroom, built-in wardrobes, built-in storage there as well. That dormer window to the rear, it's all carpeted, nice neutral white decor. So it's a 3-bedroom, 3-storey property in the centre of Binbrook. Properties on the market for 197. It's available to view now. We are doing viewings. If you're interested in this one and like the amenities of this cottage right in the centre of Binbrook, then please give us a call. It's a gorgeous looking place. I'll just remind you once more of the look of the place. Right in the centre of Binbrook, loads of amenities, access to walks, not far from Grimsby and Louth. Give us a call across the estate agents 01472 200 666. Thank you.